How to change Instagram name on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change Instagram name on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select three-line icon at top right corner and access Account Center from top of the screen. Now head towards Profile. Now choose your Instagram account. Here you will see different options: name, username, profile picture and avatar. Select name. Now you can delete this previous name and tap Save button after entering the new name. Make sure you can only change your name twice within 14 days. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.